Imagine hurtling through the vast, endless expanse of space now. Imagine doing so without the comforting tug of gravity. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? This is the daunting reality faced by astronauts during long-term space missions. The lack of gravity or microgravity presents a host of problems for the human body, which is perfectly adapted to life on Earth's surface. Without the constant pull of gravity, astronauts experience bone mass loss, muscle atrophy, loss of hearing, and other illnesses. On the International Space Station, our brave explorers must exercise several times a day to maintain their bone and muscle strength. But what about commercial space flights involving non-astronauts, such as SpaceX's Mars colonization plans? The solution? Creating artificial gravity that simulates Earth's environment. 3 years ago, the idea of tethering 2 crew starships and rotating them to create artificial gravity on the way to Mars was proposed. Now, after only 3 years, SpaceX has transformed this idea into a comprehensive plan. In response to this innovation, Peter Haig, a PhD holder, questioned Elon Musk. Why not send them in pairs and tether them together? Can get a long radius and easily simulate Mars gravity that way. Acting on this suggestion, Elon Musk plans to apply the concept of the von Braun wheel, an idea first proposed in the 1930s. This wheel, in simple terms, operates much like a fair ride that spins around. As it spins, you feel a force pushing you back into the wall behind you. This is the same sensation astronauts will experience in the spaceship without actually being squished into the floor. The astronauts, instead of being subjected to multiple G-forces in training, would experience just one G in space, the same as on Earth. When the ship spins in a certain way, it seemingly pushes you into the floor. This so-called force is known as the centrifugal force. According to Newton's third law, an object at rest will require a force to get it moving. On the ship itself moves around you, but you remain stationary in space. Once the ship catches up to you, in other words, the walls begin moving towards you. It begins to push you, providing a force similar to the one Earth exerts on you when you stand on its rotating surface. So, how does this differ from gravity? The magic lies in the fact that it feels exactly like gravity and provides the same effects. As long as you fine-tune your spaceship to provide a force equal to what you would feel on Earth, you've essentially cracked the code for artificial gravity. While the von Braun's wheel is primarily used on space stations, Elon Musk plans to modify it to suit the Starship's transport mission. He plans to tether 2 Starship rockets together and let them spin around the center of the tether, creating a centrifugal force much like the von Braun wheel. In conclusion, the challenges of microgravity in space travel can be overcome with Elon Musk's innovative approach to creating artificial gravity. By tethering 2 Starship rockets together and allowing them to spin, we can simulate the gravity of Earth, ensuring the health and safety of astronauts during long-term space missions. This is a significant leap forward in space travel technology, bringing us one step closer to colonizing other planets. Please like and subscribe our channel for future updates.